So I wanted to set up to do a tidier version of this, but it's just arrived and I've got a lot going on today. So I'm going to be unboxing these products. That one didn't come in a box and I had a discount. I might have gotten them from Yes Style, Korean products. I watched a YouTube video of a 66-year-old who swears by this, and she uses retinoid, although I believe it's a different brand. Um, and then somebody else was saying that cooling pads they just make you feel nice and refreshed and cool. And I can't remember exactly what this was for, jung, but it's good stuff. So I'm going to unbox. Okay, so I couldn't do it with one hand, so I quickly unboxed them. And this is what they look like. Retinoid is meant to be good for wrinkles in your skin around the eyes. It can be a bit strong, I'm told, for some people though. So this is only 0.1%, which I'm sure it's probably that way because it can be a bit strong. And my cooling pads. This is just in front of the TV. So I can't wait to get into this stuff. Okay, so I just put on all the product. Clearly I haven't got any makeup on, but it feels very hydrating and cooling. So yeah, feels quite nice if it's not too sticky. So especially the jung, it was very kind of watery and to put on and hydrating. So yeah, the cooling pads indeed were cooling, but I used a cold facial towel face wash first. We'll see how the HiCA retinoid thing goes. Might not see much difference right away. And the illiyoon had a bit of thickness to it, but it wasn't too thick. So kind of medium. So it was quite nice ceramide atto concentrated cream. There you go.